What's going on, guys? Good morning. Good morning. This should be a pretty easy day. Everything pushed pretty good. Just my kind of party when it pushes. Makes it easier for setups. Looks like GA is pushing 40 pips. Looks good. Looks legit. Nice move, right? Looks good. 40 pips up there. Nice. I think I just missed TP1 just so far. Looking good. Nice easy swing. All right. So we do got an MES. So let's see. Got easy MES on this one. 3 hour, 1, 2, 3. It's 8 o'clock. I do expect to still push. Let me just all right, we got MES on GA, so I do like this. Let me see how far this risk reward is first. This will keep us to New York session at least. Let's see here. What's the spread on this thing? It's a 1 to 1. On the 2 is probably not going to happen today. Never say never. I would take GA for the MES as market execution now. So you got until 8 o'clock to be in profit. Put the parameters up now. That's our first intraday. All right, put the parameters up. All right, so it's market execution right now. Um, Looks like all the pairs got PMI, CPI for Euro and GBP. Perfect. All right, good deal. All right, so we got GA, 3 candle rule. Entering that now. Parameters up here, send that in the chats. TP1's 50 pips. The rest is 150. So being that they had news that continued to push, had that nice spot where they vectored up. I expect them to continue pushing, play off of that news momentum. They got to do a little bit of a pullback, so expect it. Lower time frame got a lot of noise, so as they pushed up here, they vectored up. All right, but they clearly have a 50 bounce right here, which is a huge move right now off the 1 hour and the 15 minute. So really can't play against that vector right now. To try to like wait for the vector makes no sense. So we're gonna play in that direction still. Plus our higher time frame here is crazy bullish. So just gotta let it do a slight pullback. But as you see here, we still got that 6 hour sauce rolling. I do expect some rejection over here though. On our daily, we got a huge rejection over here on daily. But they can push some more in daily, so we got a little while. We got about, let's see, 200, about 200 pips still to continue pushing for the reject. You got these railroads up here. These railroads right here is pretty powerful. So if they push up here, continue off that news, they got a good 360 pips, which take them into Thursday to Friday, depending how far they want to go. And they have a cord of wood forming, so yeah, they rolling. But we got 1 hour soft, so at 8 o'clock, check your profits. Don't babysit it. Don't babysit it. Just go ahead and check them. Let's see what else we got over here. We got GJ. We're gonna have to do a selling on GJ. Do that in a minute. GCAD, same thing. I think it already probably hit. No, not yet. Here we go. Do a selling on GCAD. So be patient on these ones, yeah. G Chef, same thing. It's almost there. So we can set these up while they're forming. So you don't gotta take everything. If you want to put them all, go for it. Just I wouldn't do more than 3 trades in the MT4 running to manage. But if you don't doing orders, I mean you can set your orders. But our active trade right now is going to be GA. So let's see something. All right, let's see something there. All right, there we go. So I'm gonna babysit anything. Let's check GJ. All right, so GJ up here got. I'm looking for 189. Our pending already hit. So if you took the pending and the trade idea at 187,600, you should be up pretty good. So 187,600 was last night. By limit, you are up 80. So we up 85. So we good. So if you took it last night, you're golden. But I do expect it to push to 189. So we're going to do the 189 deal. I don't believe they're done pushing based off my higher time frames here. Definitely got to look at this because they're definitely pushing up here. At the first leg, second leg, I think they're going to retest this right here. They just shifted. Fringe on the daily. MES on a 4 hour. Definitely not going against it. They probably got a 1 hour mag. Yeah, they do. 1 hour mag. Yeah, not going against it. So we're going to take this and let them exhaust and take the rejection down. All right, so we will do this 189. We're gonna let it ride for a little bit. What am I doing that? All right, where we at? Let's see. We're in 4 hour here. Let me push up a little further. Where's our first TP Aqua? Ooh, boy, that is a beautiful move. Holy crap. That's money for the rest of the week right there. Question is, are we going to push today? 5:14. You got 3 hours. We got more news pushing today. 95. We'll take our first TP at 100. Should take us back to the A range. We got nothing but space. Let's check this daily real fast. Nothing but space. All right, we're not gonna go that crazy. That's just far. They pushed that far, then something's wrong. Something's going crazy right now. Nine 600. All right, perfect. 189,600. We'll keep that basic 1 or 2. Well, we don't even need to cheat ourselves, right? So we'll play them back to the Aqua. First TP, 100 pips. Second TP, I think it's like 200. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Let them push a little further. I would do a sell on this. Seven. we got 15 minutes. Hold on. So what's the next 15-minute candle coming through? Nothing developed yet. I'm checking my other screen. Nothing developed yet. Make sure we ain't miss no good sauce move. 45-minute sauce moves. You know, those are the easy ones. I know they push into there, so you gotta catch them while you can. Right. All right. So sell them on GJ. Oh yeah, good deal. I'm tripping. Thought I wrote it down. Entry there. 189. There you go. Boom. 189 is entry. Now if they come up here and they reject like let's say 3, 4, 5 pips, they come all the way up here like this, right? They just flirting with your entry and you see it and it's really about to just like dip on you. You can go ahead and mark execution, right? Keep your stop loss where it's at. Don't move it though. That's just accounting for spread right there. So if you can get in 3 to 5 pips before, that's fine. Sometimes it just spread don't want to knock you in the trade. I get it. But if you're watching it, don't watch it, just miss you. Just take it and leave your stop loss where it's at. Yeah, the stop loss is 189,600, right? That's what I put. Sorry, 189. 189,600 for stop loss. Yeah, I'm tripping. Can't type. Now we make it to 186. We good. We know we good for. We know we good for a little while. 200 pip move, right? All right, GJ set. GA's pull back on us still. Nope, not too much. Not too bad. Not too bad. All right, GCAD is good. Developing. Is good. GCAD. How far are we on GCAD? Another 70 pips. Perform the super. Just begin the first candle, second candle, third candle can push. 4 hour mid, 4 hour good. Gives you 6 hour sauce. They can go for a little bit more. Our daily cruising. Let's see how far the daily candle so far. 100. Yeah, I don't see it not stopping. So one thing you do when you checking these candles to see how far their ADR is going is check their daily candle, see how far they can go. Like I just checked one is 187, so I know that daily candle can go 167. That's the total pips to this rejection up here in a day. So I'm not going to underestimate the push. I need to check to make sure that this pair can run that 167, which is showing clearly they can. All right, yeah, we're not going to underestimate it. We do got rejection up here. So we got one hit to the high here, back in July. One hit to the high here, back in September. One hit to the high here, back in December. 222. Yeah, they're gonna crush this one more time and jet. So we're gonna be patient. We're gonna split the distance so we can get into the trade and just take the minimal drawdown. I want the stop loss too far. I want enough to where we can take that drawdown and bear it. All right, that's good enough right there. Coming off the daily. So these GBP pairs, they don't take long to push. So if you play these type of pairs, understand they pull back they pull back 80 pips to 100 sometimes. This pulls up, that means this aqua will come up. So you should be good. This TP should hit this aqua and they pull up. So we're just gonna sell them in this. Some in GCAD. You just gotta be patient, guy. They push, so we just can't hop in the trade. If you look at the 15-minute here, you don't really have an entry. It's like, oh, look, they're vectoring up. Yeah, that's great, but you gotta look at the totality of circumstances here. They're vectoring a small time frame, which is nice, and you can probably get a pullback. But being that we have 2 weeks of volatile news this week, the rest of this week, 3 days left, and then next week is NFP. Counter trend is really not the move right now, unless you're gonna be in and out of the trade. So higher time frame is where you got to really look at, see who they're breaking. So clearly got level one pushing, level two is occurring for the for the 1 hour, 4 hours just hasn't even started. They got that nice just candle where they're shifting, so they just got to continue going. So they got a low way. But we're gonna take our time and just let them come hit us. So we got today, we got the rest of today, which can push another 70 plus. And then they have tomorrow where they'll open up, which could possibly hit us in our sell limit. Once they open our sell limit, then we should be good. We should be able to withdraw. What's this? If it give us a drawdown, they spike 25, 30 pips. That's easy. That's easy to digest. So just gotta be patient, pay to wait. And then I'll look for once 5:30 hits 6 minutes. I'll look for like two more active trades. Two active more trades. We should be good. But I'll put these sell limits in now. Set you up for the week. I know I got wrecked the other day though. Y'all saw that? I got wrecked. DJ wrecked me. I was in that swing trade I was in holding, boy. I was like, oh, we're good. That thing wrecked me. Three, 148. Yeah, I got crushed on swap fees, bro. On Tuesday, I knew I was like, man, if I hold this until Wednesday, I'm crushed. My swap fee went from like on just a standard, it went from like $65. I held it over weekend, came back on Sunday, it spread open. Monday it was like 200. I was like, holy crap. Yeah, they wrecked me. I had to close out. They started opening the spread on me. It's GCAD in the house. Let that be. All right, let's look at G Chef. These are all Tanya pairs here. These ones they put out. We almost good on G Chef, but I guess we gotta determine if they're gonna hit this 200 and bounce off us. That's what we don't want to happen. We don't want them to put us in the 200 daily drawdown. The 200 daily drawdown is just miserable. If you ever find your pair pushing to the 200, try to wait for it. It's just a miserable drawdown because you know it's about to hit this. You know based on your trading. Those charts you do, you like, all right, well, I know it's got to hit this eventually, right? It's got to correct. And you're like, in this trade, and all of a sudden you see a push, like, I knew it was happening. You just, why did I just wait for it? It happens. But we're going to wait for this rejection up here. This will be a rejection. Let them pull back, reject. Let's just see where the better rejection is at. 4 hour. So they're not reversing. 4 hour. They don't quite have. Let's have the MES here. Nope. They don't quite make it. They don't quite make that. Don't quite make the MES. Rejections all over here. That's only 40 pips. All right, we're going to take the 200 bounce off the daily. We're going to take it right under. We got divergence. Let's see. Once I need to play this back real fast. 1 second, guys. I need to play it back real fast. I need to see where divergence happened. This candle here is divergence. Let's see. They're showing true shift on the 4 hour. Why are you so low? Why are you so low, G Chef? What you doing to us? Ranging. Gold like one or 20, 30 something? 20, 30 something right now? Yeah, gold about to push to 2050. Yeah, go and turn to 2050. And G you can go to 128. US dollar taking a dump. Yeah, it's gonna be a major vector. They're gonna form one on a higher time frame, a big one. G Chef, where we at? If we can catch sauce on a higher time frame up, we're good. On gold. All right. Might have to. I'm gonna have to wait on G Chef. Yeah, some crazy divergence. All right, here we go. Now it makes sense. Okay, here we go. 1 hour is giving it exactly what I was thinking. All right, 4 hours low, 1 hour's up. Yeah, we're good. Looking crazy. I would do one more of these, then we'll look for some active trades. We should be good. Just hold on to that for a second. Let's just see what the two pairs Golden G are doing. I know they got 15 minutes already up. 2037. Yeah, we got a lot. We got a little while. We're gonna fill this up, fill this railroad up here. 2050. The possible height. Let me get U.S. news as well. 2037. 39. Yeah, that is the wave right there. And their next one's 2050. 50. Level 1. Push into level 2. Pull back. Yeah, it's going to be a minute. I'm going to fill this daily. Fill that candle wick right there. I'm going to fill this right here. So I'll get a trade after this call to figure it out, or during this call before we get off to do the sell limit on this. They're going to push. But, gold's bipolar, so same thing with GU. I expect GU to push to 128. They still got news. They're playing off news still. They're not done yet. They still got news throwing. Dang. All right, we finish this setup. Then we can see these active trades like. Perfect. I'm being stingy on the stop loss though, guys. I'm not trying to go crazy. I'm just if we get stopped, it happens. I'm not going crazy on stop losses. I do need to be patient on the GP pairs because they will push unexpectedly. Doesn't matter if you got a power 50. Doesn't matter what you got going on. Should be able to reach it. Yeah, we're good. We're able to reach the dealer. Perfect. All right, so G chefs the limit. And then we'll look for some actives. 0875. Man, she's looking for them vectors. She's like, I'm about to catch them jokers. I'm about to catch them things. I don't blame you. Vectors are enticing. They like to get you. They say, get into the trade, take the money. Oh, now you see it going higher. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta look. One thing I've learned is I have to look to see. I used to didn't do that. I mean, back in the day, we weren't looking at that. But after looking how the market pushes and knowing levels, yeah, like, oh, yeah, this thing's going. Thing is going. If you're patient, trust me, when it rejects, and then you're not even worried about being a profit. Once the rejection hits you in profit or hits your rejection level, over. It's over. Easy profit. Me and Eric were just talking about that before the call started. Like, it should be an easy day. Let it push. Take the rejection level. It's exactly how we want it. All right, so G Chef. There you go. Boom. That's G Chef. All right, so we got our limits. So we just got to be patient. Right, so at this point, be patient. So you put all limits in if you want. Just use proper risk. That's all. If you in the trade and like, so we have what three? We have one, two, three. We have three limits. If two of them hit, just delete the other one. Don't have them all running. If you don't have any trades running, you're good. If you're just using small lots on them, cool. But just use proper risk management on them. Again, you have to take all of them. I put them all in, and once I know that they're hitting, I'll two hits, one doesn't. I'll close that one that doesn't, or that's about to hit. So I don't have them all running. But these are sci-fi trades, so all you gotta do is set them, forget it, let it rock. I would say Friday. If they don't hit by Friday, then we'll delete them. But I expect them to hit today because they're pushing pretty good. Same thing with GU. Like, GU's not done. There ain't no way GU's done. We got news coming up in US too, so yeah, I don't expect them to not be done. But I do want them to hit this railroad up here. So when you see those highs, look at those railroads up here. This is a beautiful railroad right here. We pull up the 50% matrix here. This is the reason why I have that line there. For them to come back up here and hit it. So if you see that line right here, the white line, that's why I have them coming up. But I'm putting it below that line so that way we can get into the trade. I want to make sure that we count the spread because everybody's spread on brokers are different. So I just kind of like we can withdraw some. We can do some drawdown. You're always going to have some type of drawdown. But we're going to be patient. So let these folks roll. And that should give us a good amount of room to actually take this trade as well. So we just got to be patient on GBP. I saw the news last night though, and they only got 6 pips to go. 6-0 is not bad. 60 pips, not bad. All right, so yeah, y'all understand what I'm saying about being patient? And if y'all don't understand me, let me know, or why I'm like actually waiting for this to happen, not just jumping into the trend of the buy. Because one, I don't have a entry, but there's no entry for it right now, and they're not even at power 50 right here. They're coming, so yeah, news and ADR, but just they're not. Yeah, ADR, they're still pushing here, but also their level count. I'm doing level count. I'm anticipating their levels. I know that when they like for now they push level one, so they're gonna push right there, and they have to do what pullback, right? Create that candle to pull back. So they pull up here, they push, and pull back a little bit, push again, pull back, and drop. So I'm just anticipating their levels, so that way I don't get caught. That's how you don't lose. That's how you don't lose money. Just be patient, and you're golden. I'll be 111 pip drop from this entry, and they only have 60 more pips to push, and they still have a whole another New York session to happen, and they have the open A range with spreads. There's no way they're not going to hit this. I'll be very surprised they don't. So that's where they figure out on the higher time frame. They vector in a counter trend to pull back. So if they vector into the EMAs like something like this, they vector into the EMAs, perfect. That's like a push into it, and they pull up. That's like an obvious move. But when they vector away from the EMAs, that's the that's the fault. That's the real false. Oh, there you go, Tony. There you go. Yeah, so we don't see this vector right here. This thing is like before we mark this up. This is a see this right here is a real fake out. That's like the definition of a fast mag two push. And yeah, we wanted to do this. Boom, we wanted to like come up here and we catch it counter trend perfect. But when that bad boy don't do that and they come out of this TDI and they come out and they go like this, we're screwed, right? So we just gotta be patient. This is a lower time frame versus the higher time frame where they got more time to push. So that's all. Just gotta be patient. Correct. Exactly what they did towards the blue. So just gotta let it rock. It makes sense. It all starts to make sense when you like when you start saying that loud. It's just this looks scary. It's like oh man, like for example, GCAD or GA looks so scary because over pulled back. It was like 10 pips and it just looks scary. That's all psychology. So let's go ahead and do this right here. It's all psychology. Just gotta relax. Just know what it's doing. Stop losses like your stop losses your peoples. I said just stop loss like your mom one time. Somebody told me that their mom passed. And I said I won't use that anymore. I felt bad. Like, oh crap, I didn't mean to do that. I was like, well, damn, can't use that analogy no more. I know it did. Got real dark. I was like, oh man, I didn't mean to do that. I was just saying. All right, first TP on GU. Oops, sorry. And then we'll try. We got. Oh, yeah, perfect. 3 more minutes till the next candle opens on a 15-minute time frame. Perfect. 27.546. Yeah, I get happy when it pulls back too, especially when I miss the move. I'm like, oh crap. But I knew I was gonna miss all this because I saw the news last night. That's why I asked you guys if you want me to put the news in the channel because then you guys actually can see it when it pulls up. But I was just like, well, I mean, they're not gonna use it. I won't have the alerts go off. But yeah, I mean, you can. When I miss the move, I mean, like whatever. I'll get back in it. 27.546. 26. There we go. All right, perfect. So yeah, the GBP pairs I continue going. I'm not gonna mess with GN, but the GBP pairs are a good call. So good call on those signs. Those are good pairs to play, especially on A, especially in London sessions. We got all of our sell limits in here. We got G CAD, G Chef, GJ, GU. We are set for limits orders. Let them just do their thing. And then we have let's see what we got. 15. We got 3 minutes left, or 2 minutes left till the next candle's open. It's a good move on gold though. Just that stop loss is way too low. It's 100. Well, it's not terrible, but doesn't really quite follow my OG rules. Guess I can't take you. Guess I can't take it. But we'll see what Daily does. Nope. All right, let's check. Let's make it easy on ourselves. Let's make it real easy. We got our sell limits. So we got GA moving. So let's just make it easy on ourselves. Let's just take two vibes. We're going to go vibe. We're going to take vibes because we know they were pushed already. So we're just going to go in their direction. Let me come out here. All right. Gold looks good. Boom, boom. Out. We know we want to go to 150, right? So, man, if you want to do gold, I would. You're already at entry, so you kind of didn't miss anything. They kind of pulled back on you, so it gave you a better entry, really. So you want to take gold, you do gold vibe 1 hour. I would set the alert for the 1 hour, do your lot. If it takes you out, get out. Obviously, you know that's news coming. But I would take vibe, go with that. At least I mean I would say your max TP before rejects is at least 2050, which is 100 pip or over 200 pips. Yeah. You got over 200 pips on that. So vibe will do it. Vibe will probably tell you on the 5 minute when the news is about to crush. So at 8 o'clock, 8:30 ish, 8:30 or so. If that 5 minute candle is the arrow, wherever the arrow's at, oh, that's anticipating. That's your well, obviously it's your mag. So wherever your anticipation is on that 5 minute, that's where it's most likely gonna head to. That's your 5 minute news candle. It should meg up already. It should meg up. We should be good. So yeah, this is yeah, you should be good on this. So if you want to do vibe on gold, take it. That's your alert. So set your alert for vibe. So entries now and then obviously set your stop loss, but your exit is completely that. Your exit is completely that arrow, which is going to be either your VBC or your LC. But you don't have to think too hard. So this should be your 30 minute meg right now. But let's try to make it same thing with GU. GU is out of here, not coming back for a little while. But your 4 hours should be good. There's your 4 hours, so you're good. See, so now you're good. So now you have a 3 hour mag. All right, but we're not gonna do that. We're gonna wait for it. Trying to find a good one. AJ, perfect. AJ might be forming. This candle closes up. Well, no, I lied. Still rolling. Still rolling. AJ's still going. Let's check. Let's see. Hold on. AD and ZD got sauce. Let's check this out. See if it looks good. There you go. See where we at. And we reversed. Got 30 seconds to make a decision. Right? We can do that. Where we at? Pull back. One. Oh, that's perfect. Take 80 into the for 45-minute trade. We should be good. Let me just make sure we didn't answer too late. That spread looks horrific. AZD for some quick pepperonis. Not terrible. I would take AUD NZD. That's an easy one. 45-minute trade. 45 minutes. So we can take that to the sell. 3 camera rule. Easy pepperoni start off the day. We'll take 2 active trades. All right, so AUD NZD. We do spread times 2. We'll hide it just above the reversal line. Not a terrible pair. It's just slow. And it's way less volatile than any other pair. Thing is like, I'm not gonna do anything to your account if you ever lost. I think one day me and Curtis we did a swing trade on this, and then in a matter of like probably, yeah, spread's crazy on this today. Spread, look at that spread, ridiculous. Holy crap, so good. I think one day me and Curtis played this on a daily, and we went for a swing trade, and this thing brought us like probably 6 pips in like 2 days. Like no way. Our stop loss is 7 pips, bro. 7 pip, 8 pips. Our stop loss is 8 pips, y'all. 8 pips. Where you find that at? All right, it's a good 22 trade, 16 pips. This pair does not move crazy, but we're going to not cut ourselves short. Right? Yeah, it's A range. Yeah, all right. The A range right there, 16 pips away. We'll keep it as is. It's a nice scalp. 45-minute trade. We got 2 more candles. So this is a 16 pip trade. So basically, you take the whole move or you can take half the move. This pair does not move crazy, so don't expect it to be like jetting down. 107540. We're going to just take the whole thing. 75, 74, 58. Your checkpoint is at that's where if you want to take your profit, you can. That's a good checkpoint. This is a quick scout, 45 minute trade. AD&Z something like. That spread is crazy. Oh, you can see the lines here. This spread is wild. Let's check on GA. So where we at? Oh, we're not bad. Looking good. They starting to reject. They starting to go back. Do what they got to do. Rejected down here. Yellow line. Too easy. They're gold. They're looking pretty good. Not terrible. Still on profit from the 6 hour candle, which is nice. So we've got yeah, I saw it on there too. I look at it on my other screen. I was like, oh, there it goes. Check it. See what's that. 15 minute. Yeah, it's forming. There it goes. See, there's that push coming. This MES should be the 10 minute meg. There it goes. There it goes. Here it comes. So yeah, let it do the do. But if you in now, if you're on Vibe, you're golden. So you ain't got to worry about anything now. If you went on Vibe, you ain't got to worry about nothing. All you got to do is wait for the alert. You risk free trading. You stress free trading right now. I was looking at GA, trying to capitalize on this thing because we've got Vibe just call another move in 1 hour. There's your Vibe move as well, so we know we're pretty solid now. Pretty solid here. We've got Euro Chef, probably Chef Jack. Yeah, so we got some pretty good moves right here on Vibe. A little bit of ranging, so it's low ranging, kind of sucks. Chef Jappy's kind of slow. But so far we look pretty good, guys. I mean, I'm not gonna force too many, but we got a lot of sell limits. We're good. We just gotta be patient on the New York section. Let them continue going. We still in the middle of London, so London's still pushing. They had news today, so that's it. They're pretty solid. Any questions so far? We got AUD entity and we got GA rolling. So I mean, those two active are good right now. Russell's pending, so just sit back, relax, and just watch the market just flow. Let it just flow. The next like hour, you should see it. You should see it going pretty fast. Um, I'll just recap on the DCAD. There we go. Look for it. GCAD, let this thing push up. So on GCAD, we got 1, 2, 3 hits to the eye. So 22 trade, 2 hits, 2 hits, 2 hits. So once this thing hits one more time, it's just going to flow down just like the rest of it. As you see, they throwing down 300 plus pips from the top. So we're going to try to catch at least 120 to 200 pips of this. So we'll just catch these railroads up here, split the distance. We can get into the trade based on spread. We should be good to go. Sell limit, we are good on this. So we have our sell limit here. We're gonna keep it as is. If it don't hit us by Friday, we're good. We should be out of the trade and look for something different. But I don't see them just not hitting this in the next like couple hours. I'm talking 50 pips, so it should hit pretty soon. And then we have GA, which is we're already in profit on 6 hour. I know my lines is here crazy, but these are just my alerts. So that way I know what the heck is going on when the chart goes crazy for me. Well, if you didn't get an A in now, AUD NZD down, and don't get into it because you'll be late getting in. So just leave it down. So just if you get an AUD NZD, it's only 45 minute trade. You know you're a profit or not. But yeah, if you want to do Vibe, least you know what the exit's at. So yeah, if you wanna stack it on Vibe, go for it. You can stack it. Just use Fiber Risk. That's all. Just use your alert. That's what it's there for. So you're good. GA is good. So I'm not gonna sit on that. G Chef, same deal. All right. So G Chef, we gotta wait for this sell limit. They're pulling back possible 50 bounce in the 1 hour. So just gotta be patient. Let them form it. As you see, the 1 hour already got a vector. Boom. Good on that. 1 hour sauce. So AJ, perfect. So we get on that. G Chef, GJ, same thing. Patience. You gotta be waiting. Just gotta wait. Let them push. Let them pull back. Level one, and then pull back again to level two. So we should be pretty solid now. I got you, Eric. Got you, man. GU, same deal. Just gotta be patient. They pushed already this morning, so they pushed at 2 o'clock in the morning, which sucks. So just gotta wait. And then let's say AJ. AJ has 1 hour sauce. Let's see if it's good enough. So they got it's forming. So they got about a minute left. But this got to close over the white line, and then this will be a BTS here. So that'll be a BTS. If it closes over the white line, that'll be a BTS on the higher time frame. I don't know the time frame, so maybe a 4 hour. Yeah, so it's a 4 hour beats. It's a 4 hour correction. So, but this has to close over the white line now. If you don't close over the white line, then don't take it. Yeah, should be good. But they're not level one yet. They're not level one drop yet. So yeah, level one drop, level two drop coming. So that could be the level two drop there. Level one, level two popping, possibly. Don't give it to you, man. They got 30 seconds. Let's see if they give it to you. Let's see if they give it to you. They give it to you, then you got a possibility to take it. But they got to close over that white line. And your TP's got to be pretty strict because you're counter trend training. But yeah, y'all got any questions though? Any questions on the sell or the order limits? I know some of y'all got to go to work, so just take your order limits, set your alert, make sure they pop off, and you should be good. Looks like they gave it to you. There you go. So if you want your BTS, there's your BTS. I'll give you your parameters if you want them. If you want the BTS, just because I have three trades going right now, since I won't take it right away, but I'll put a little something more on to follow if you're gonna take it. All right, there's your entry. All right, TP always to the white line should be a 4 hour time frame right there. So there you go. So there you go. AJ. AJ parameters. You got three candle rules. You got 3 hours of being profits. You got till 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock. Yeah, I'll rock with you. I'll rock with you. I mean, go ahead. I'll go with you on it. If you're gonna go take it, I'm gonna take it. AJ, I'll trade it with you. Bam. Three standards on the bad boy. All right, so let's spark it up then. I'll go with BTS with you. All right, so we got 36. We got plenty of room. They broke the water for an hour and a half, which is going to be the 15-minute aqua right here. You see that? Boom, they broke it for an hour and a half. All right, so we're going to play the higher time frame BTS another time frame, which is the correction on the 4 hour. That's your correction to the white line. And we're going to mark it up. Stop loss. 97, 465, TP. To the white line, obviously. That's the bigger TP. 96, 841. Let's just at least give ourselves a checkpoint, right? Just in case they reject on this 36. You know what? We're just gonna keep it 36. 96, 889. We're just gonna play it. All right, I'm with you. If you took it, I'm with you. I already clicked the button, so I'm in. All right, we got 97.244. All right, I'm in there with you. I'm 3 standards deep. I'm already $10 in profit. I'm blue. I'm blue. All right, so we're good. That's gonna be our TP. We'll check it at 9. I'm not gonna pull out unless 9 o'clock hits. So now I'm not gonna cheat myself. So 9 o'clock, I'll recheck and then see where I'm at. I'll send an update if I take out or not. I'll let you know if I'm taking out. But yeah, other than that, we should be solid. Check GA at 9 is I think it's at 8. And 80 NZDs, 45-minute trade, so it's easy. We look pretty solid, so we're good, guys. I hope y'all enjoy your day. All right, if you want to rewatch this video, it's gonna get posted on the YouTube channel, so it'll alert you that hey, you can watch it again and see how I was trading and see why I took these moves again. And if we lose, obviously we good, right? We get the money back. We got stop losses and exits. If you trade in Vibe, make sure you follow Vibe, put your alerts on. Make sure you can actually like feel your alerts if you're at work, vibrating. If you hear them, just make sure you have them on. News is gonna go crazy. If you don't hear nothing and you're in profit, all right, just do a checkpoint. Don't get crazy because the Vibe not gonna let you. Vibe gonna give you an alert saying, "Hey, you still in profit." It's gonna say you're in profit and then tell you when to get out. So just do a glance at it. Don't babysit it. Other than that, y'all enjoy the day. All right, and we'll see how the trades play out. We'll give an update later. See what's up. Enjoy. Stay safe.